Let's talk some more about 20. When we talk about any number, we have to start by thinking about no numbers. 0. So first of all, nothing. Then we start by counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's make a pile of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can look at the numbers themselves. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happened to my 5? Where's my 5? Well, I have to make a new 5, I guess. 5. There's my 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is a pile of 5. A pile of 5. Okay, now let's do 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This is another pile of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And together, this is a pile of, let's find the number. It's a pile of how many? Do you remember? 10. A pile of 10. There's the number. This is 5. And together, well, this is 5 and this is 5. And together, they make 10. Okay. Now let's do that again. Here's 10. 10 and 1 is 11. 10 and 2 is 12. 10 and 3 is 13. 10 and 4 is 14. 10 and 5 is 15. And we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 3 5s. That's 15. Let's do another 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or we could say 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 is 2 10s.